Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question 18 Part A. 9 by square root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Give your answer in its simplest form. Now, what does rationalize the denominator mean? It means removing any square roots like square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, etc. from the bottom of a fraction which cannot directly be simplified as a whole number. Next question is how to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize, we multiply and divide the given term by the conjugate of the denominator. So in our case it will become 9 divided by square root of 3 equals 9 divided by square root of 3 times conjugate of square root of 3 divided by conjugate of square root of 3. So question arises, what is a conjugate? A conjugate means changing the sign in the middle of two terms. If it is a single term, then simply changing its sign gives the conjugate. For example, if it is the square root of 3, then its conjugate is minus the square root of 3. However, for 1 plus the square root of 3, then its conjugate is 1 minus the square root of 3. The logic behind this is to eliminate the square root by applying the formula a plus b multiplied by a minus b equals a squared minus b squared. Let's apply it to our question, so 9 divided by the square root of 3 equals 9 divided by the square root of 3 multiplied by minus the square root of 3 divided by minus the square root of 3. Resolving it further, it will become 9 square root of 3 divided by the square of the square root of 3. Simplifying it further, it will become 9 square root of 3 divided by 3, which will be 3 square root of 3, and it is our answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.